How to activate my ComBank card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to activate your ComBank card online. So first thing what you need to do is just log on to your ComBank application if you have one, or you can also actually go for the online version. So I prefer using app since it's compatible. And once you successfully log into your ComBank application, you can just tap on the cards and then swipe across to find the right card and simply tap on activate card. And if you're using net bank, you can basically register for the net code if you don't have an already, and you can always click on login if you already have an account. Then go to settings, under security, select card activation, enter the last 4 digits of your card, then simply click on check and enter the confirm your pin, and just enter and confirm your pin. Then simply click on set pin, then click get netcode and enter your netcode, then click on activate. So always keep in mind that to activate your card online you need to be registered for netbank or combank app. And if you ever face a problem or have an issue regarding activation, you can always click on this contact us from their page, that is from their official website, and always contact the customer support regarding any of the issues or queries if you have one, to solve your problem successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.